Using trusses with wall framing is all about making sure everything lines up so your house stays solid and safe, no surprises later on. So, first off, you want to make sure your studs line up right under where the trusses sit. Like, if the truss is carrying weight, that load needs a solid path down through the wall studs to the foundation. Don't just guess. Follow the truss layout plan carefully. Next, use a double top plate on your walls. That's 2 layers of horizontal boards on top of the studs, because that spreads out the weight evenly across all those studs. When you nail the trusses down, use the right nails and fasteners, and nail them to the top plate firmly so they don't shift around. It also helps to check your layout twice before you start framing, so you don't end up with trusses that don't line up with anything. Keep an eye on spacing too. Most trusses are spaced 24 inches apart, but always confirm with your specific plan. Don't forget to leave room for any openings like windows or doors in your wall framing so the truss load doesn't end up unsupported there. Finally, if you're ever unsure, ask a pro or check building codes. Better safe than dealing with structural issues later. One of the biggest problems with using trusses and wall framing is misalignment between the studs and truss bearing points. If your studs don't line up under those heavy spots, the load won't transfer properly and you might see sagging or even damage down the road. Fix that by carefully laying out your studs to match the truss plan before nailing anything down. Another common issue is not using a double top plate, which can cause uneven load distribution and potential wall failure. Just add that extra plate layer to spread the weight evenly. Lastly, people often skip or do a sloppy job nailing the trusses to the plates, which can lead to shifting during storms or heavy winds. Make sure to use proper nails and secure those trusses tight according to manufacturer specs. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want trusted local contractors without all the hassle of searching everywhere. Contractors also get a steady flow of work by connecting with people who actually need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone involved.